In this blog, I'll cover the surface trim and the basics of Trim Entities tool, which it has 5 different options: power trim, corner trim, trim inside, trim outside, and trim to the closet. The basic concept of trim entities is one of the fundamental concepts of all 3D modeling. To delete a line, circle, or any sketch at all, select right-click and choose Delete. Sometimes we need to delete only pieces of the sketch, so trim entities are the right choice. In this case, I want to delete the outer lines only, so I'll use Power Trim. Select left-click and pass through all the outer lines. With corner trim, click on pieces that I need to keep, so that lines I didn't select will be deleted. Even if you deleted pieces, you can undo them by selecting Ctrl Z or select the undo button. Trim inside, it's gonna trim the inner pieces. Lines should be intersected. Select any 2 lines, then select the line that I need to trim. Likewise, trim outside, but the exterior pieces will be deleted. Trim to the closet. It's individual. Select on the piece that you want to trim. It's the simplest one. If you ask me, I recommend using Power Trim. It's my favorite. I'm going to design an eyeglass to use the Trim Entities tool. It's your call to choose any type of trim entities. Round the interior corners of this design by filleting the edges. Let's carry on sketching the eyeglasses by spline. You can regulate your sketch. Select left click on any point and you're able to modify it. Add a relation between a line and a curve. Right-click and press the Ctrl button, or go to Add Relation and make it tangent. Merge between these 2 points to close the loop. Trim all the unuseful lines, then mirror the left side of the eyeglass. I have mentioned before that in each design, extrude boss, mirror, fillet, and others are essential. We're gonna use them a lot. It's enabled to insert a spline point to regulate the direction. The Convert Entities tool allows users to make a copy of the projection of a given sketch, face, or set of edges onto the active sketch plane. Select Planar Surface to fill the surface out. I use it to get the glasses. On the other hand, to delete a face, select on it and delete. It will be deleted at all. But if I need to trim parts on this face, so surface trim is the best choice. I'm gonna design a cell phone's cover to clear it up. Use corner trim or any other type. Power trim is the easiest one. We have talked about the surface tool. Hit the I button, you'll find it out. Draw 3 rectangles, dimension them, and fill it all the corners. There are 2 ways to trim the surface: keep selection or remove the selection. If you click it to keep a selection, you'll assign the surface that you need to maintain. If you click it remove selection, then you will select the surface that you don't need. I have done the same way to all the sides. If you are interested to do so, you'll find the dimensions in the description below. I hope this video was helpful. Please subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for tuning in.